Welcome to Style and Shine, a segment of our crown where I give you a full catalog of styles that you can use to style your Microlocs or Sisterlocs for different occasions. Today's style is an easy date night inspired look, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Hey lovelies, Jennifer here from Her Crown. You're so welcome. The first step in achieving this look is to section out hair from the front. I'm going to create 2 flat twists in front before packing the hair behind. So these sections are for the flat twist. Now it's important to make sure that the sections are fairly the same on both sides to avoid one of your flat twists looking bigger than the other. If you're going for the neat look, it's also important to make the parting as neat as possible. Now it's time to flat twist. Flat twisting is a combination of twisting your hair normally while employing the cornrow technique of feeding in hair to make the twist flat, hence the name flat twist. Now once I'm done flat twisting one side, I would replicate the same thing on the other side of the hair. This is the Afro ponytail I would be making use of. It has claws and straps for tightening to help you secure it to your hair. The next thing to do now is to pack the remaining hair on my head into a low bun. And once that's done, I would attach the Afro bun by inserting the claws to the top of my low bun and tightening it with the strap so that it's secure on my hair. Next, I attach the tips of the flat twist I did earlier to the low buns. And voila, all done. Here is the final look. If you love this style and you love how simple and easy it was to achieve it, then please give this video a huge like. Please share it to someone you know that would need this video. Subscribe to this channel if you want to continue to see videos like this. So let me just say this is a bonus for those that decide to watch to the very end of the video. This is my date night look. How am I looking? Rate me in the comment section. Alrighty, bye.